Ain't nobody fresh as me. I'm just so fresh, so clean. So fresh and so clean. This is not a tutorial. I don't know why I'm doing this. Cause this is so frustrating. I'm like anxious. Like my heart is like beating out of my chest right now. Ooh, ouchie. Ouchie. This is literally tearing my scalp apart. I'm just gonna assume that we're good. Hey babe, welcome back. Hi channel. That was so weird. So today we're gonna do something never before seen on TV, period. We're gonna be installing a synthetic wig. You heard it from here first, folks. Heard it here first. I went to the hair store like a few weeks back, like before I had, when I went to the store to get the passion twist hair, I also went and I got this wig. What is it called? RJ Parks wig, whatever the heck. Yeah, all of this. This is like $40 because they had like this weird deal going on. I can't even explain it, but like this is like 40 bucks. And it's purple. And it has like 2 braids. It's gonna be great. I think we're gonna do great. I've never installed a synthetic wig before, so like this will be learning experience, period. So like you just gonna have to wing it with me because I don't know what I'm doing. So I just watched like half a tutorial, so I think I got this down pat. We're pretty much gonna wing it. Oh, lips chapped. That was embarrassing. So, since I've never done this before, it's gonna be like half talking, like half me talking and half time lapse. I don't know why I'm having a rough day today. But, yeah. I'm going to assume that you install is like how you would install any other wig. Also, fun fact, this is like the first pre-made wig I've ever installed. All my other wigs I've made myself. Like every other wig that I've ever worn, I've made myself. So like, this is gonna be fun. I don't know if you're supposed to pluck it or not, so we're just gonna wing it. Yeah, we're just gonna see. Yeah, purr. Okay, so here it is. We're gonna take it out the package. Oh, this is a little detangled. This is a little tangled. And we're done with that. And we're done with that. Okay, so here she is. Shake on them, shake on them, shake. This look like a Halloween wig. Ooh, child. Anyway, I think I might take the braids out. We might take the braids out. I don't know. This part looking a little thick. I don't know if I should pluck it or not. I'm so perplexed right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on. Yeah, okay, so I'm a jump cut to when the stocking cap's on my head. Y'all done seen the cornrows once, y'all ain't seeing them twice. Fun fact, I actually found this stocking cap like in my bathroom. Like it was just sitting there. So is it used? Maybe, I'll remember. So let's put this on. Ooh, child. I mean, I feel pretty, so like, that's all that matters. I actually like it. Ooh, I actually like it. Ooh, I actually like it. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. What? Like, no, because you always play with me. Stop. Stop, you always play with me, like, for real. No, this is my real hair. What you mean? This is my real hair. What you talking about? Stop. No, because when I was walking down the street, you don't really, oh, like, I told you, like, this is my real hair. Stop, like, don't pull on me. Y'all remember when niggas used to do a weave check? Ugh, that was so depressing. Not for me, because my hair was permed at the time, so it was my hair. But like, I hated that. What you mean you gonna weave check me? How about I throat check you with my fist? Being disrespectful. So what, my hair ain't real? I think I'm gonna pluck it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pluck it. This thing low-key does not fit my head. Okay, so I tried to pluck it, but like, that's not my cup of tea. That's not my cup of tea. I'm not feeling it. We're just gonna go. Why am I lightheaded? Okay, now that's gone. I was like, God, I'm like, what is that? Pause. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, yeah, I'm gonna put contour on this stocking cap. We're just gonna maneuver from there because I'm not gonna pluck it. I tried. I don't know how this synthetic stuff works, so we're just gonna. This is the contouring Wet and Wild contouring palette, something like that. All it is. You see this? I'm gonna use this dark side, obviously. I really genuinely do not know what I'm doing. Like, I do not know how this synthetic stuff works. I know you can't like comb it out like how you want to, which I mean, I guess I'm fine with, but like I'm not fine with at the same time, but whatever. Because whenever I be having human hair wigs, I be feeling like that's my hair, babe. That's my hair. But I guess I can't act like that with this one. Girl, I'll get in the mirror with a comb and just brush my hair, just to look myself in the mirror, brush my hair. But I guess we're not doing that today. It's good enough. I like this. I like this. I like where we are. I think that's good enough. I feel like that matches my face. I feel like this is, yeah, I feel like we're aligned. Low key, this drum does not fit my head. Like, it is not. I love this color. Oh, at the end of this video, I'm gonna put makeup on so I can give y'all like the full finesse, because there is ice on my window, right? Because it's been snowing for 2 weeks. It has been snowing nonstop for 2 weeks. I would turn the camera on and show y'all, but like it's already set up and I'm already feeling myself. But it's been snowing nonstop for 2 weeks. And now my freaking windows are freaking iced over, like on some tundra type, you feel me? I'm just like, this is ghetto. My forehead looks really big, and when I cut off the lace, it's gonna look bigger. Okay, I'm gonna pull it up. See, there's the beauty of a nice lace wig. I can make my own forehead. 5 head, you ain't gonna get me today, bitch. You thought you had me, but you don't. I like it. I like it. Oh, I think I'm gonna take the braids out. Maybe. Okay, let me shut up. Ooh, I'm hyping myself up. Okay, next Aronian cheese. I'm finna just install like how I do a normal wig. So what I'm finna do is finna clip these joints up right here. I'm not from Philly. I love accents from other parts of the country. Like, hold on. I love accents from like other parts of the country. Like freaking Baltimore. You, two, so. You feel me? Ooh, that's that right there. Bro, I love me some New York. We got chopped cheese. You being for real right now? You mean that ass? Yo, you blowing me. See, that stuff is fire. All I ever hear is a freaking southern accent from my dad's side of the family and no accent from the people that live here. So I just can't catch a break. I'll see Adventure Time in the background. I have been on an Adventure Time like binge for like the last 3 days. I'm not apologizing for it. I'm not apologizing for it because for some odd reason, I love it. I don't know. Marceline is a bad Princess Bubblegum. See, I'm a little on the fence about her. And I really, really like Finn and Flame Princess together. But like, just didn't want me to be happy. And I understand. Y'all got me talking about Baltimore. Yo, I'm from Baltimore. Someone from Baltimore called me. Next, I'm finna take this Got2b. This is not a tutorial. I don't know why I'm doing this. But I'm finna take this Got2b Ultra Glued Invisible Styling Gel. I'm finna use this and I'm finna... Because I watched the tutorial, but I watched like half of it. It's like, I know what I'm doing, but like, not really, kind of, sort of. Girl, don't be shaking my camera. This is ghetto. And I'm finna take this blow dryer. We finna... You feel me? Let's go. Why do I keep losing my train of thought? It's really not that freaking hard, Anye. Just put the wig on. Golly. I'm gonna put the glue like right here. We're gonna wing it. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let's go. Paintbrush. Y'all know I apply glue to my wigs with a paintbrush. Thumbnail. Thumbnail. Period. Won't stick to the sides, it won't stick to the sides, it won't stick to the sides. I'm trying to figure it out. I don't have to get frustrated when I install wigs, but it just doesn't work sometimes because this is so frustrating. But it's all good because I'm a bitch and sometimes I tend to forget that, but like I remember that right now. Oh, see? Okay, no, it is lifting. Oh my God, hurry up, hold on. I think we're good. Okay. Ooh, child. I be getting nervous. Next, we're gonna go in with this Got2b. Oh, child. I'm scared. I'm gonna calm down. Next, we're gonna go with this Got2b spray just to make sure that everything sits down like the way it's supposed to. I'm like anxious. Like my heart is like beating out of my chest right now. I get so nervous when. Okay, let me shut up. I get so nervous, bro. Okay, I got this. Okay, ready and go. I'm gonna go get a scarf. Okay. if this does anything, but like it makes me feel better about myself. So there's still glue on the back of my hand. Anya, what the fudge are you going through today? Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna get a little vulnerable with you guys because I love you. Ooh, okay, so you know I'm a junior this year. Gang gang. Ooh, why did I do that? So I have to take my SATs, and I'm not nervous about the SAT itself per se because it's a test, and I'm an amazing test taker. So like, got that in the bag. However, I'm not worried about the test. I'm worried about the motherfuckers I'm going to see at school. I ain't seen y'all in a year. I'm a little shook. But it's all good. It's whatever. I'm coming in there to take tests, not to socialize, because I am such an antisocial person. I'm working on that. I'm gonna take these braids out, y'all. I've decided to take the braids out. Oh, my scarf. Okay, maybe I should have like tied it. I hate doing other people's hair. Like I just hate, like, oh my God, I hate doing other people's hair. I hate doing other people's makeup. I only like doing like my own hair and makeup because I know if I do it and I mess up, then I'll be like, okay, whatever. I know I messed up, whatever, cool. But if I mess up on somebody else's head, it's just like my heart. Whenever like people be like, can you do my hair? I'd be like, no I can't, because I hate doing people's hair. And the people that I have done their hair, people wear their hair for like a week or two, then take it out. I'm looking at you, Briante, and I know you watch my videos. It's like, I know you know what I'm talking about. That was disrespectful, but I'm gonna let it go. I don't know what made me think about that, but I just had to get that off my chest, because like that is so disrespectful. I don't know what else to do. I'm assuming you don't put mousse on this because it's synthetic. I don't know. Ain't nobody fresh as me. I'm just so fresh, so clean. So fresh and so clean. I'm just so fresh, so clean. Hey, ain't nobody fresh as me. Fresh, so clean. This wig was literally $40. I feel like that's a steal and a deal. A deal and a steal. I think everything's good now. So like, I'm scared of my edges finna be out. Cause you know my edges is black and my hair's supposed to be purple. So like, I'm a little nervous. I literally had the scarf on for 2 seconds. The scarf was pointless, but whatever. Okay, and this freaking lace is literally 2 inches. Here comes the moment of truth. I almost cut my forehead. Oh, that would have been a wrap. I cut my forehead. This video would have been a close shot. Ooh, ouchie. Okay, we just won't do right there. We just won't do over there right now. Who that boy, who him is. I'm that nigga, I swear. I'm saying because I'm nervous, y'all. Like, it happens. I sing when I'm nervous or when I'm excited. Ouchie, this is literally tearing my scalp apart. Y'all see this? Should I cut it closer? Or you think it's just gonna be covered up anyway, so I should just leave it alone? Or can we fix it with contour? No, I think I'm gonna cut it a little bit lower. Ooh, okay, yeah, I'm gonna cut it a little bit lower and then, okay, we'll fix it. Why didn't I cut ear flaps? Why do I always forget to cut ear flaps? I like it. What can I say? I'm a simple person with simple needs. I don't need to give complete scalp. I just need to give enough scalp to where I can start catfishing. Gotta get back to catfishing. My makeup just does not hit the same unless you have like a full-on wig, if that makes any sense. I swear to God, I'm pulling up the testing with purple hair. Like, oh my God, people can be like, oh my God, she's lost her mind. I mean, I have a little bit. Okay, ouch. Golly. Yeah, that's good enough for me. I like it. Like I said, I'm not no hair person. I just do what I need to do. Did I not cut ear flaps? Oh my gosh. Okay, baby be calling me Hercules because it H on my voice, but that just for her maze. Okay, I don't pop me a perky. I told y'all I sing when I'm nervous. Okay. I just don't want to mess this up. Like, I just got this wig like a month ago, but like, okay, I don't pop me a perky. Ouchie, girl, okay, now I know that sis is glued right, because this hurt. This should not hurt like this. So now I'm dealing with that. It's just like there's so many obstacles in my way. I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. Have y'all seen that movie Igor? That's where I got that song from. That's such a classic movie that no one talks about. My mom used to be friends with this dude that used to sell like bootlegs. So I had like the bootleg Tinkerbell. I had Wally. I had this one movie called Fly Me to the Moon. I don't know if y'all know that movie. Y'all might be a little too young for that. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with this Got To Be spray one more time just so I can make sure my edges is snatched, and then we'll move forward with something else. I don't know what the something else is yet. Okay, I'm gonna get this glue off my forehead. That's something else. Okay, but like when I put makeup on, I'm gonna look so good. Last section. We're almost done, girl. We did it, baby. Sometimes you gotta give yourself pep talks. Like if you don't pep yourself up, who gonna pep you up? Who gonna pep you if you don't pep yourself? A record deal. Like, oh my gosh, like somebody sign me. I'll make you some money, honey. Some talent agency, somebody come book me up. It's when I'm on my Beyonce status, I don't want to hear nothing from nobody. Nobody who gon' love you like me. Nobody, baby. I don't even know the name of that song. That just came to my head. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Nobody who gon' love you like me. Nobody who gon' love. I think the rest of the words were like nasty, so I'm not gonna sing that. Purr, 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 a, purr, a, purr, a, purr, 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 a, purr, 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 a. I'm gonna hit y'all. Okay, I'm gonna dupe out, but like I'm gonna hit y'all back up when I put my makeup on. We gonna show y'all the final product, the final look. Period. Girl. You see me. Ooh. Okay, it's the lace. Okay, don't look at the lace. But, girl. Purr. We're done. I like it. She's pretty. She's cute. So I guess how it looks with, a full face. Period. This like blends. Like it's like a blend of human hair and synthetic hair. But like, girl. Stiff well. Yeah, I look good. But yeah, I don't know. My mom talked me out of like taking the braids out, but like I'm probably gonna take them out anyway. Yeah, I'm done. I look good. I feel like I look good. Period. If I can find this wig, I don't know. I got this from the hair store, like that's like around the corner, down the back, two streets over, down the side, over there in the corner. So I don't know. But yeah, this is it. So I'm gonna start getting me some synthetic, girl. Some synthetic. But yeah, that just about wraps up this video. For the algorithm's sake, for the algorithm, not for me, but for the algorithm. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, love. Mwah. Don't forget to create your own happiness. And I will see you the next time I decide to, melt a whole lace in front of y'all, period. Swing it. Mwah.